Hi friends, welcome to my channel Digital Remote Sensing. Today I will discuss how to digitization by Mapinfo Professional Software version 11. So at first open of Mapinfo Professional Software, then open your registered map or georeferenced map. So go to files, then open of this georeference map. Open this georeference map. So go to upper portion of this Mapinfo Professional Software, then right click drawing tools. So there are active of this drawing tool. This way there are not active another portion of this Mapinfo Professional Software. This way there are active of this drawing tools. So these drawing tools are not active. So at first active of this polygon, arch, ellipse, line, point. So add node and reshape. Active there are process of these active tools. So go to layer control. So there are layer control or cosmetic layer. So editable off. So automatically active of this tool, off or on of this tool. So another way of this active of this drawing tools. So zooming and editing none, lower portion of this software. So cosmetic layer, so automatically active of this tool. So polygon, and then digitize of this Jhargram district of West Bengal. So digitize of this Jhargram district. So automatically digitize of this portion. So next polygon of this Kharagpur and Midnapur. So common boundary there are not digitized of this portion. So automatically space the keyboard, your laptop or desktop, then S, so automatically active of this snap tools active. So shift to hold and so automatically digitize of this common boundary of these two polygon. So there are next way of this digitize of this next polygon. So space keyboard, space the bottom of the S, So automatically snap tools active. So space your hold of shift button. So then automatically digitize of this polygon. So go to maps and shape cosmetic object. So rename digitization. So save. So save of this digitized. There are complete of this digitized. So next way, go to Windows, new browse, Windows, then tilt Windows. There are add of this attribute table of this area or digitize the vector file or shape file. So go to tables, then maintains, so table structure, so modify table structure, so at field, so rename of this name, so area, so types float, then okay. So add of this layer control add, so add layer the digitization, so automatically active of this digitization my file, then go to Windows, same way, then till Windows, then tables and update column. So there are table to update column, so area, and there are value to assist, so expression type of an expression, so go to area, so area of this object square kimi, so verify, so syntax is correct, so then okay, then finally update column, then okay. So automatically create area of this three polygon of this three municipality area. So there are digitized of this three portion. So next way, how to labeling or label display of this area. So at first go to area, then style, change this color, label display, so automatically calculation of this area, so attribute table, so style of this, so border style, then okay. So automatically area calculation of this three polygon and label of this map info professional software. So there are next step, how to add new field of this shape file. So go to Windows, then new browse Windows, so digitize this folder, then go to Windows and till Windows, then table and maintains and table structure, save, then open, same way, so modify table structure, then add field, so there are name of this three municipality, area, so types, so character, so 50. Then okay, so tables, windows, table windows, so change this name of this, so at of this area, so rename of this portion, so this portion, so select of this portion, so this portion are highlight, so name of this portion, so Jhargram, Jhargram. So next way to this portion are Kharagpur, Kharagpur, and next this portion automatically Ghatal. So there are new field at and then 3 municipality area, rename of this field. So then go to Windows, new and digitization folder, then Windows, table Windows, then table, update column, then okay. So there are labeling of these 3 municipality area, Jhargram, Kharagpur and Ghatal. So this is the raw map and there are vector, there are this map are raster map and convert or digitize of this Paschim Midnapur Jhargram district map vector layer. So if my video is helpful to you, please like this video. It is helpful every RSGS learner. So subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.